the middle is where the swimming pool is at.
So that's their entrance there, the main lobby. And our room is at the back. Chan-cha-dan. That's
So it's just a big old square.
yeah.
Wonder what's in the middle.
Just arrived.
I'm going in. Bye-bye.
So our room is, what's the number now?
132.
They're here. Baby, 133, seriously. Hi there, Dad. I'm wrong.
We got to have one of the cars too.
Ay, sa kakapoy guys, na followers.
Maybe it's all the way at the end.
Maybe, so we're gonna go that way, baby. So, ang room is 132, layo din yan. Naday sa last.
You tell me that all these rooms is full. The only ones that's available is down here at the very end.
Then, yeah, this is our room, guys. Oops. See, all right away. Look, katugnaw dong.
Huh?
Tugnaw kaayo.
I don't know what you're saying.
Tugnaw.
Huh?
Tugnaw. It's cold. Okay, let's get our... Hello, we need to borrow the... Murag mawala mo kus kada ko anya din. Ilang main. Oh, mo ba ni main? Murag mali hall. Ah, dara di ana. Dili ni ganyan mo so.
Out here. I knew there was a...
Oh, the pool is here. Yay, we're going to swim.
I knew there was.
Ah, here's the pool area.
I knew there was a room.
It's cold. Maybe they're closed now. Nobody's here.
There's nobody in the water.
Is this an exclusive for... Oh, here's the pool, guys. And they have also, what is this there? Gym. They have gym there. Oh, it's deep. 5 feet.
4.5. Those are like stairs. See?
Yeah. Huh? So, there na pag miagi, guys. See? That's the gym there. And this is their, for breakfast. That's the main lobby. Their area is really big here. They have TV also. Ta-da! I know, that's really big conference room. They have a CR here. So we can go there to our room. And this is the lobby here.
Yeah. They have some mints. You want a mint?
Yeah.
Let's get one.
Makuha ko na siyang candy, guys. naming candy.
We have our free mint.
So now we're going back to our room.
Yeah. Clear down here.
We're going to rest now.
We're
It's
the
been-
only ones in
It's-
all these rooms.
It's been a long day for us.
Mhm.
How many hours we traveled? 6 hours?
6 hours.
Yeah, 6 hours today, guys. So we need to rest now. Good night. Bye.